The one thing that made losing weight and maintaining it for years was shifting my focus away from calorie counting instead and focusing on balancing my blood sugar. This is because balancing blood sugar not only helps your body burn fat more efficiently, but it also helps you feel full and satiated, which will lead to less cravings while losing weight. It's a win-win situation. And the good news is creating meals to support blood sugar balance is actually really easy, and meals can be done so tasty. All you have to do is prioritize a balance of protein, fiber, and fats, just like this 5-minute high protein pie bowl situation that is absolutely delicious, and it's perfect for